For this video, we'll focus on linear inequalities. Let's talk about number line. This is an example of a number line. So 0 is the neutral number. The one that appears on the left side will be negative. So negative 1, which is closer to 0. Negative 2 is further away. Negative 3 is the furthest. So continue the trend. This is a bit minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. For this, it will be 1, 2, 3, positive. 4, 5, 6. Continue. So let's take a look at some of the inequality question. So minus 15 plus 6y is smaller than 9. Okay. So we want to solve for y. So use the arrow sign. 6y. Okay. So plus 15 will neutralize this equation. Becomes 0 here. So 9 plus 15. So 9 plus 15. We don't write an equal sign. Okay. So we write again 6y smaller than 24. So you will get y is smaller than 4. Solve. 3/5 t smaller or equals to 1.2. Okay. So I want to find t. So what should I do? Times the reciprocal of this will give you t only. So times 5 over 3 will becomes 1t. So 1.2 times 5 over 3. So what should you have? So 1.2 divided by 3 is 0.4. 0.4 times 5 gives you 2. 2. So t is smaller or equals to 2. And part C, 1 minus 3s is bigger than or equals to 5s plus 3. So you will have the s together. So this is in the left hand side. So you have minus 3s minus 5s is greater or equals to, bring the 1 over, we will have minus sign here. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have minus 3s, minus 5s, minus 8s. Okay. So now I want to get rid of the minus. So divide by minus 1, divide by minus 1. So change the sign. So this one will be minus 2. This will be 8s. So your s will therefore be smaller or equals to minus 2 over 8. And you can simplify to become this, minus 1/4. Okay, check back your answer. How do we do so? Let's look at this. Y is smaller than 4. Think of a number. So y can be 0. So minus 15 plus 0 gives you minus 15. Minus 15 is smaller than 9. Correct. So this is correct. T smaller or equals to 2. So let's take the example maybe 1. So 3/5 is 0.6. So 0.6 is smaller than 1.2. Correct. Take the example 2. 2 is equals to 2. So 3/5 times 2, 6 over 5. So 6 over 5 is also 1.2. Correct. So this is correct. How about this? S is smaller or equals to negative 1 over 4. So think of a number, maybe, let's think of a number which is smaller than minus 1/4. So maybe minus 2. 1 minus 3 times minus 2 will be 1 minus 6. So 1 plus 6 will be 7. For this case, I choose the number s to be minus 2. 5 times minus 2. Minus 10 plus 3, which minus 7. Okay, so maybe I can use this as check. So let's take the example s is minus 2. So left hand side, 1 minus 3 minus 2. What do I have? 1 plus 6, 7. Right hand side. 5 minus 2 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. So 7 is bigger than minus 7, correct? So I already done my checking. Let's continue. Let's look at question 10. We have example 1, number 9. Above shows the real numbers where P is a set of numbers where X denotes to be greater or equals to 4. So can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7. The next number 9. Q is a set of number in between. X is in between 2, but is strictly less than 5. So you can see 2 is a shaded dot, but 5 is unshaded. So you can accept 2, 3, 4. That's it. So let's solve for this. On the number 9, given in the answer spaces below, illustrate the following real numbers x. So for part A, x is smaller or equals to 3. So let's look at where's the 3. I have 3 here. So it's inclusive. So I can shade it. Now my problem is, where should my line go? Is it this way or this way? So it's smaller than. So it will be this way. Okay. I'll use the arrow sign. Next, minus 2 smaller than x, smaller than 6. So it's not inclusive at all. So it's unshaded circle. So we have minus 2 unshaded, 6 unshaded. So the answer line between them this is answer. And the last one, we have x is less than or equals to 3, which is done over here. Minus 2 smaller than x, smaller than 6. So n means the answer has to be in between them. So you can see in between them. So you accept this until this. So you still have the circle here up to 3. Solve.